I'm April Anderson-Zorn, and I'm a University Archivist at Illinois State University. Today I'm going to talk to you about our new Finding Aids database. Finding aids are like individual guides for a collection. So if you're looking for something specific within one of our collections, you would go to the Finding Aid, a fancy term for an inventory, to look for exactly what it is that you need, and then you can tell us where it is in the collection for us to pull it for you. Everybody can use a finding aid. Students who are looking to research a paper for a particular topic, say on buildings or presidents or alumni or student organizations, all collections that we have at archives. Alumni might use our finding aids for looking up their own history while they were here at the university. Anybody who's interested in the history of the university would use a finding aid to find exactly what it is that they're looking for while they're researching the history of the university.